Embark on a journey to ancient Egypt, where Plotinus, the founder of Neoplatonism, offers a mystical vision of the universe that bridges the gap between classical philosophy and the spiritual traditions that would follow. Born in 205 CE in Lycopolis, Egypt, Plotinus embarks on a quest for wisdom that leads him to study philosophy in Alexandria. Unsatisfied with the teachings he finds, he delves deeper into the works of Plato, seeking the roots of existence. Plotinus develops Neoplatonism, centering his philosophy on the concept of the One, an ultimate reality from which all existence emanates. Through a series of emanations, he explains the interconnectedness of the soul, the intellect, and the cosmic order. A pivotal aspect of Plotinus's philosophy is the soul's ascent to unity with the One, achieved through contemplation and the purification of the self. This mystical journey transcends the material world, offering a path to spiritual enlightenment. Plotinus's ideas profoundly influence the development of Christian thought, mysticism, and Renaissance art, echoing through the works of Augustine, Dante, and Michelangelo, among others. His vision of a unified cosmos inspires generations to seek beauty and truth beyond the physical realm. Compiled by his student Porphyry, Plotinus's teachings are preserved in the Enneads, a collection of writings that delve into metaphysics, ethics, psychology, and aesthetics, serving as a cornerstone of Neoplatonic philosophy. Plotinus is celebrated for his rigorous intellectual methods, engaging in spirited debates with other philosophers of his time. His dialectical approach not only refined his own ideas, but also challenged and advanced the philosophical dialogue of the era, contributing to a deeper understanding of metaphysical concepts. Plotinus's Neoplatonism invites us to explore the depths of our being and the cosmos, urging a journey inward to discover the divine spark within and achieve a state of oneness with the universe. Dive deeper into the mystical and philosophical world of Plotinus. Join us in the World Philosophers Series to explore the enduring legacy of Neoplatonism. Subscribe to FactUp for more insights into the quest for unity and transcendence.